हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस अगेन इन सॉलिड स्टडी पॉइंट। आज हम लोग जैक जियोलॉजी क्लास 12 का प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर 2014 का कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप सभी से निवेदन है कि वीडियो को लाइक एवं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कर दें। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, राइट अबाउट the process of magmatic concentration of mineral deposit. Answer: magma is a molten rocks together with any suspended mineral grain and dissolved gas, and melting occur in mantle of crust. Point number 2, when magma rise to earth crust through fissure and volcanic vent, it is called lava. Lava cools and crystallizes quickly so that igneous rock from lava tend to consist of tiny mineral grain. Sometimes cooling can be so rapid that mineral grain cannot form and glass results. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Write a notes on the importance of supergene sulfide enrichment process of mineral deposits. Answer: supergene sulfide enrichment process, also called secondary enrichment in geology, natural upgrading of buried sulfide deposit by secondary or subsequent deposition of metal that are dissolved as sulfide in water, percolating through the oxide minerals zone near the surface. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. Describe the following intrusive form of igneous rock with suitable sketch. Dike. Dike, also called dike or geological dike bean. Dike in geology, tubular or sheet-like igneous body that is often oriented vertically or steeply inclined to the bedding of pre-existing intruded rocks. Next point, similarly, bodies oriented parallel to the bedding of the enclosing rock are called scale. Now, batholiths. Batholiths come from Greek culture. Batho means depth and litho is rocks. So batholiths is a large mass of intrusive igneous rock that can be as large as 100 square kilometer. Usually these rocks are a formation of cooled magma deep in the earth crust. The magma of batholiths is made of felsic or intermediate rock type like quartz, monazite, granite or diorite. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. Write about the flowing sedimentary texture with neat sketch. Clastic texture. Clastic sedimentary rock are the group of rock most people think when they think of sedimentary rocks. Next point. Clastic sedimentary rock are made of piece of pre-existing rocks. Piece of rocks are loosened by weathering, then transported to some basin or depression. Clastic sedimentary rock may have particular ranging in size from microscopic clay to huge boulder. Now, non-clastic. Non-clastic sedimentary rock refer to any sedimentary rock that does not form as a result of deposit rocks fragment in sedimentary layers. Now, next point. This can include chemical sedimentary rock and organic sedimentary rocks. Now question number 5. What is economic geology? Describe how economic minerals are important in human life. Answer. Economic geology is a discipline of science that focus on the earth material that can be used for economic or industrial development purpose. Often much of the purpose of study in to identify new ore deposit for excitation, as well as understanding how ore deposits are generated and localized within earth crust. The next point, economic minerals are important in many ways of human life. Many minerals are excavated for economic or industrial purpose. For instance, many precious gems and metal are mined to create jewelry or part of electronics. Now come to the next question, question number 6. Describe the principle of stereography. Stereography is that branch of geology that deal with formation, composition, sequence and correlation of stratified rock. Next point, in most case, stereography focus on the evolution of sedimentary rocks strata. Next point, Earth is stratified at least in a broad sense. Bodies of all the different type of rocks, igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, are subjected to stereographic study and analysis. Now, question number 7. Define ore. Ore is a natural rock that contain one or more valuable minerals, typically containing metals that can be mined, treated, and sold at profit. Next point, ore is extracted from the earth through mining and treated or refined often via smelting to extract the valuable metals. Now, gangue mineral. Gangue is generally an unwanted metal or impurity that present in an ore. This can be found in ore deposit where the minerals is present. Now next point, during the process of extraction, these impurities are mixed up with ore in the form of stone, sand, rocks. Now tenor. Tenor ore state that the lowest permissible metallic deposit in an ore. Now come to the next question, question number 8. Describe bauxite deposit of Jharkhand. The raw material of aluminium is known as bauxite ore. It is generally found in regions close to the laterite rocks. Laterite rocks are commonly found in peninsular and coastal regions, that is plateau and hill regions. Jharkhand. The mining of bauxite are found in the capital of Jharkhand, Ranchi, along with Ranchi, Palamu, Munger, Dumka and Gumla are some of the bauxite rich districts. Now come to the next question, question number 9. Write morphological character of any two of the following. Asperifer. Asperiferida is an order of extinct articulate brachiopods fossils which are known for their long hing line, which is often the width part of the shell. It is greatly elongated, giving them a wing-like appearance. They often have a default down the center of shell. Now, Murex. Murex is a genus of medium to large size predatory tropic sea snail. These are carnivorous marine gastropods, molluscs in the family Muricidae, commonly called murex or rock snail. Now, paradoxids has a well-developed head region terminating laterally in a pointed spine that vary in development from species. Tail region is poorly developed. The body is well segmented and the axial lobe to taper to the minicell pygidium arca. The cell of arca are equivalent in equilateral, elongated to sub-rectangular in shapes. Now come to the next question. Question number 10. Write the economic importance of Vindhyana system. Diamond, fired coal, limestone, building and decorative stones are reported from Vindhyan's basin. Diamonds have been reported in the conglomerate in Panna. Next point. The limestone of Vindhyan are among the most important source of raw material for lime and cement industry in India. Now come to the next question. Question number 11. Describe the mode of occurrence, distribution and use of coal deposit with special reference to Jharkhand. Answer. Most of the coal fields in the state of Jharkhand are located in a narrow belt running in the east-west direction almost along 24° north latitude from the Gondwana period. Next point. The main coal mining center of the state are Aurangabad, Bokaro, Karnpura, Ramgarh and Huter. Now mica. It is produced in a huge proportion India. In fact, India is one of the leading supplier of mica to the world. Next point. India alone account for a major proportion of the world export of block mica splitting. The next point. Mica can withstand high temperature as it is a bad conductor of electricity. Moreover, it can also be split up into the films. Mode of occurrence. Mica minerals occur in igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks formed under different geological conditions. Next point. Will muscovite occur in pegmatite of acidic nature. Paleogopite mica is restricted to basic pegmatite. Next one. Lipodolite occurs in pegmatite associated with topaz. Commercial biotite is found to occur mostly in biotite schist. Now next point. Mica is a substance that give a shiny appearance to cosmetic and paints. Koderma grady are two districts in Jharkhand richly endowed with good quality mica deposit. Now come to the next question. Question number 12. Give an account of morphological feature of either brachiopods or gastropods fossil classes. Answer. Brachiopods commonly have an exterior surface texture. This may be in the form of ribs and radiating from the beak growth line or wrinkles. Next point. The line of closure of the valve may be straight or corrugated. It may also have deep medial depression and corresponding evolution. Now next point. Must live in relatively stable environment below the low water mark in sea water or normal salinity, but some have wide salinity to tolerance. Now come to the next question. Question number 13. Describe lithology distribution and economic importance of either Archean or Gondwana formation of India. Answer. The Gondwana supergroup is made of 6 to 7 km thick succession of mainly fluvial and lacustrine deposit. Now next point. However, a glacial deposit occur at the base and the intercalation of the fossil ferrous moraine bed occur both in the lower and upper part of the succession. Now next point, the cheap rock type are sandstone, clay, conglomerate and coal scam. Now economic importance. Coal. The Barakar and Raniganj formation of the Damoda group constitute the most important coal bearing rocks formation. All of the Gondwana coal is bituminous variety. Now iron. About 760-meter thick ferruginous shell known as the ironstone shell. This shell form a deposit of siderite ore which contain about 40 to 50% iron. Clay. The clay of various types are found in abundance in the Gondwana rocks. This clay used for making refractory bricks, pottery and china ware. Now question number 14. Write petrographic notes on any three of the following: granite, sandstone, dolerite, genesis. Now granite, it is a light colored igneous rock with grain large to be visible with the unaided eye. Next point, it forms from the slow crystallization of magma below Earth's surface. Next one, granite is composed mainly of quartz and feldspar with minor amount of mica, MP balls and other minerals. Now come to the next question. Next point, this mineral composition usually gives granite a red, pink, grey or white color with dark minerals grain visible throughout the rocks. Now sandstone. It is a sedimentary rocks and one of the most common type of sedimentary rocks and is found in a sedimentary basin throughout the world. It is composed of sand, size, grain, rocks, fragments, minerals and organic materials. Sand size particles from 1 by 16 mm to 2 mm in diameter. Now dolerite. A dolerite is the medium grain equivalent of basalt, a basic dominated by paleogeoclase and pyroxene. Next point, dolerite also often include olivine or quartz and can be alkali. Basalt, olivine, thiolites in quartz, the olitites. olitites. Now, genesis. Genesis is a type of metamorphic rock formed from the high temperature and high pressure process that act on igneous and sedimentary rocks, alternating dark and light band. Next point, hardness very high compared ग्रेनाइट. तो आशा करता हूँ आप सभी को वीडियो को लाइक एवं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिए होंगे. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पर. धन्यवाद.